Instagram Reels are here to stay, and if you aren't leveraging them, you're leaving money and a whole lot of views on the table. But I know what you're thinking. I don't have anything trendy to show in a 15-second video. Well, what if I told you that you do? In this video, I'm going to show you 11 super cool Reels ideas that can be used for any product, from a coffee mug to slippers. Does that sound like fun? Let's get into it. Before we get started, be sure to check out the description of the video. I'm going to reference a few templates, and all of the links for those will be in the description. All right, idea number one is trends. What are the reoccurring videos that you see when you scroll through your feed? Think about how you can take those trends and apply them to your brand. And if you're having trouble coming up with ideas, here's a little hack. Head over to InVideo.io, sign up for a free account if you haven't already done so, and then go ahead and click on the 9:16 size, which is the size for Reels. And you'll see there's a search bar here, so you can go ahead and search trending Reels. As you can see, InVideo has a ton of templates on their website that you can use to make videos really quickly, and they have a ton of templates for trending Reels. So this is a super useful tool. Let's go ahead and look at an example. This is the Vogue cover example. If I click on the template, it already has just about everything done for me. So I'm just gonna plug in a few product photos for a makeup brand and then change the text a bit. And that's really all you have to do. Idea number two is behind the scenes. If you're someone who makes handmade products, this is going to work especially well for you. If you do knitting or calligraphy or something like that, people love to see the behind the scenes process. InVideo also has a really cool template for a behind the scenes video, so if I just go ahead and search BTS, it comes up. I really like this template because there's a space for the behind the scenes video and then a few photos of the final product. So you get to show off the process and the end result. And keep in mind, if you don't sell handmade products, you can still use this trend. You can show a video of you ordering inventory or packaging your products or anything you do behind the scenes. Idea number three is this or that videos. These videos are super fun, and they're also a great way to get input from your customers, which can be super valuable for you. For example, if you're a home decor brand, you can take a video of you just holding two different art prints and ask your audience to comment which one they like better. You can go ahead and set this to a trending song, and hopefully you'll get lots of comments. Before we move on to the next idea, I'm going to interrupt real quick with a super exciting announcement. We are giving away a free InVideo subscription to one lucky winner. If you want to enter, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel and comment down below. So go ahead and comment which one of these ideas so far has been your favorite. You don't want to miss out. All right, now moving on. Idea number four is to tell your brand story, and you can do this while showing off your products. Storytime videos are super popular on Reels, and what you can do is take a few nice photos of your products and use that as the visual, and then for the audio, tell a story of how you started your company. Here's a quick example for a clothing brand. 2 years ago, me and a group of friends decided we wanted to fulfill our lifelong dream and start a clothing business. Idea number five is lists. Whether it's a checklist or a list of your favorite books, list reels are going to provide helpful information to your audience. So of course your audience is going to love them. If you're a skincare brand, you can make a morning routine checklist and include your products in the video. Or a list video could just be a way for your audience to get to know you better if, for example, you make a list of your favorite books or movies. Idea number six is a day in the life video. Little mini vlogs are perfect to post on Reels. They're super fun and another great way for your audience to get to know you better. Not to mention, you can totally throw in a plug for your products. So here's an example for a coffee mug company. The reel can begin with you drinking your daily cup of coffee in your beautiful coffee mug. Idea number seven is an inspirational video. We all love to be inspired, so if you can provide inspirational content to your audience, they're gonna love it. This can be you telling an inspirational story that happened behind the scenes in your business, or it can just be an inspirational quote, and again, you can use the visual of your products. Idea number eight is seasonal reels. As the seasons change, people are going to be in the mood for different content, so you really want to play into that. In the summer, make reels that take place at the beach, and in the winter, make holiday videos about how your slippers are the perfect gift. Idea number nine is customer-generated content. When your customers purchase their product and you send them a receipt, you can also send them a note that reminds them to tag you on Instagram if they post pictures of your product. And then you can go ahead and compile those photos into a reel. So that way you're celebrating your customers and interacting with them in a really cool way, and your customers feel like they're getting a shout out from you, which makes them feel special. Idea number 10 is a product demo. Don't feel bad about straight up showing off your product. It can be really helpful to your audience if you show them how your product works, and it can make them want to buy it even more. You can find a template on InVideo as well to make your life a lot easier. I'm just gonna go to the 9x16 size again and type in product demo. And here we have a few different options to choose from. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Chemex to make the most delicious cup of coffee you've ever had. And lastly, idea number 11 is a before and after video. Show how your product can transform someone's bedroom, someone's look, someone's backyard, whatever it is. These videos are super fun and a great way to show what your product does. Here's an example for a cleaning product. This is another one that you can find a template for on InVideo. Here's an example that puts the before and after side by side. Did you love or hate these ideas? Let us know in the comments below. We're always eager for feedback so we can provide better content for you. Also, if you want to learn more about the top Reels ideas that actually work in 2021, be sure to check out this video. This is Teresa with InVideo, and I will see you in the next one.